I love writing notes by hand, but then I lose them, I misplace them. Here is a handy tip to take those handwritten notes and not just convert them to text, but actually make them into something that can help empower your business. We're going to take some handwritten notes, take them into text, make a project plan, and then take that up another level to make a diagram. We're going to need ChatGPT Plus. So, if you happen to have the app, hop on your phone, let's open it up and do this together. In the app, I'm going to ask it to convert these handwritten notes that I'm going to pull from my Photos app into text. In only a few seconds, my notes on how to conduct a data analysis are taken from my sloppy handwritten notes into text, a very usable format. Great! Now let's take this and convert it to a project plan. Now we need to copy the text and go back into the ChatGPT Plus menu and select Explore GPTs so that we can then go into Diagrams, Show Me. For our last step, ask it to create a project plan of this and then paste it in. Voila! Like that, we took handwritten notes, created a project plan, and then created a diagram of that we can share with the team at our next meeting.